When it comes to generating web scraping templates, ChatGPT and Gemini take noticeably different approaches. ChatGPT tends to produce more verbose, well-commented code with explicit error handling and request retries built in, often including beautiful soup and requests libraries by default. Gemini, on the other hand, favors concise, functional snippets that assume a higher level of user expertise, sometimes omitting error handling in favor of cleaner logic. In head-to-head tests with a simple e-commerce product listing page, ChatGPT's template required fewer manual adjustments to run successfully, while Gemini's output demanded more tweaks but resulted in leaner final code. For beginners needing step-by-step guidance, ChatGPT's scaffolding proves more forgiving. For experienced developers who want minimal overhead, Gemini's approach saves time once the structure is understood. The choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize handholding or efficiency in your scraping workflow.